Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogmas 2020. Today is super special. It is Riot's birthday today, and I'm gonna bring you guys along for all of the celebration, all of the things that we do to celebrate him every year. And it's also just happened to fall on this year's luminary nights in our neighborhood. That's an annual thing that we do in our neighborhood, and it's so beautiful. Everybody participates. And I thought I would show you guys what that is because it's just gorgeous. I have to run to Lowe's because I've got to get some sand so that I can set up my luminaries. And then I'm also going to bring Riot in and we're going to celebrate his birthday and then go do the luminaries and everything tonight. It's going to be so much fun. We have a full day of birthday celebration and holiday celebration packed from this morning all the way till tonight when the luminaries start. And I'm going to bring you guys along for all of that. It's going to be a lot of fun. So kick back, hang out, and I hope you enjoy. So today is also Riot's birthday, and we are getting ready to take him to Starbucks to get him his birthday puppuccino. That's one tradition we do every year. And then I'm going to invite him into the kitchen with me and cook him up a special birthday treat. So I'm going to put the recipe for that down here in the description. today, Storm and my daughter and the older two, Riot and Fury, we are all getting ready to put out our luminaries in our neighborhood. And this is a tradition that I think originated in Mexico, but we have adopted here in our neighborhood since the 1980s. And as you can see over here, we are setting up our luminaries down the street, and the whole neighborhood will participate in this tradition. And then we are going to take the dogs out tonight and walk through the lights. It's really beautiful. It's just our neighborhood's way of ushering in the holidays.